Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to add WordArt to your Google Slides. If you go to the Insert menu and you click on WordArt, you're going to get this little text box that appears, and whatever you want your WordArt to say, you're just going to type it in this little box. And then when you're ready, hit Enter, and you'll get this big box that shows up with your text in it, a default font, default colors, but notice that once I have this box selected, I can change the fill color. Let's change that to red. The border color is currently set to black. I can keep that the same or change it to something else, but I can also change the thickness of that border, and now it's a little bit more pronounced. I can change the font. I can make that Comic Sans. Wait, what am I doing? Comic Sans is terrible. Change that. Depending on the font that you choose, the text is going to either expand or contract. There's really no way to change the font size on here using like the menu up here, but this is kind of an artistic box. It's kind of an image, so if you need this to be smaller text, you're just going to grab the text box and shrink it, and that will allow you to make that text the right size that you need for your slide.